so you're going to roll out a slab of clay like we did normally, okay? You need to be able to smooth and compress both sides, just like we've done in the past. All right, so and then you're gonna flip. Remember, we compressed both sides. And then you're gonna decide which shape that you want for the GR pottery form. So I've got several here. There's more right over there. Okay. All right, so this is now smooth. All right, then you're going to print out an image that you want to tattoo onto your plate, okay? So this is the one that was selected. It helps if you go ahead and cut it so that it fits, okay, the way that you want. Also, before you lay this down, make sure whatever form that you've chosen, that you're gonna lay that and cut that out first, okay? So they're two-sided. You're gonna trace cut on the bigger side and press with the other side, the smaller side. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this up on here, and I'm going to just cut this out. Okay, so I have my piece cut out. Remove all your excess clay, but don't throw it away because you're going to use this for later. All right, so I'm moving all this stuff out of my way. All right, now you're going to tattoo. So I'm going to lay my image down here in the center, face down. I hope y'all are paying attention. I know we're recording, but make sure that you're paying attention too. So you're going to smooth this down. Now, some of the colors that prints on the inkjet printer don't come out as perfect, okay? So you might have to trace it in the watercolor markers that I have so that it shows up. So anyway, I'm smoothing with the metal rib. The metal rib is going to be your friend, okay? Smooth it over and over and over. And then just like a rub-on tattoo, you know how you peel up a corner and you'll see that it's making a mark, but this finger right here is not attaching very well, so I'm gonna put it back down, smooth back over it. I'm assuming that the tail at the end are gonna have the same issues. So now I'm going to slowly pull. Okay, and now I have a clean tattoo. Okay, everybody see? So it has now transferred, the image is now transferred. All right, the next step is you're going to use this upholstery foam, okay? I only have one because we don't have space for a whole bunch of them. So you're going to lay this down. Make sure that you smooth your sides. It's easier if you go ahead and smooth them now so that you don't have to worry about smoothing. You will still have to smooth, but it just helps to have it smoothed already. Okay, so now remember we trace cut with the larger side. You're gonna press with the smaller side. So you're gonna line this up, okay? Make sure it's nice and centered. You might have to stand over it to make sure you're right in the center. And then you're gonna give it like chest compressions, like CPR, okay? You want to press deep, okay? Maybe 3 times. That's pretty good, okay? Flip it. Now remember where I said save some of your clay? Okay? You're gonna take this, looks like corn on the cob, okay? And you're going to drag this through your excess because it's going to be the border for your plate. Okay? So cut as many as you think that you're going to need. Okay, if you're doing a circle, obviously it would be more of a circle cut. Okay, so it looks like tic-tac-toe right now. Okay, so at least line them up, get them where you think that they should be. Okay, so I've got it where I think it should be. And then I'm going to cut right in between. Let me get closer. Okay, so I'm gonna cut right in between. Okay, so I'm moving that, the excess, so now that's lined up to touch. Okay, I'm going to, basically this is the way to 45. Pull off your excess clay. And then what are we gonna do to make sure this stays attached? slip and score, okay? So you're going to slip and score these on. Okay, so to make sure that you're in the right space, it's easier to go ahead and trace this in so that you know where to slip and score. Okay, so just kind of move it to the side. Make sure you score both sides before smoothing these and attaching these on. Make sure you sign your name, okay? After you've put this all on, I'm not gonna do it just yet, but as soon as you put this all on, we're gonna pretend, right, that this is on here, just so I can walk you through the process. That's slipped and scored. You're gonna lay this on here, get up underneath, okay? And you're going to flip. And then once you've flipped, now you don't need this anymore. You can give this to your neighbor. You're gonna gently pull this out, okay? Leave it alone for that day. Then you're gonna come back in, you're gonna smooth, and then you're gonna underglaze your image exactly how you want it to be underglazed, okay? Any questions? All right, that's your project for this coming up week. Thank you.